everyone, welcome to another Ballet For All tutorials. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to improve your a la seconde turns. And if you're ready, let's get to it. Although we are going to be working on improving our a la seconde turns, I would recommend you to go to the bar to work on control, balance, strength, and muscle memory. Our first exercise is designed to help you to gain control and balance before you start adding any turns to your a la secondes. So let's go. 2 hands on the bar, 5th position, right leg in front, and you're going to do demi-plie, passe with accent up. You're going to release 1 hand off the bar, 2nd hand, and you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and lower down to 5th position with control, demi-plie, and repeat 1 more time. 1 hand, 2nd, 1, 2, 3, and lower down. For beginners dancers, I would recommend you to do 8 repetitions of these ones. Intermediate dancers are going to do 12 repetitions and counting 5 seconds in control, balance. And for advanced dancers, I would recommend you to do it sideways to the bar. 1 hand on the bar, and you are going there to control, also counting 5 seconds before lowering down to 5th position. And repeat it again, 12 repetitions of these ones. Moving on to our next exercise, we are going to work on developing muscle memory. How do we do that? Well, we need to know that our position when we turn a la seconde is with leg by your side, extended, hips are square facing forward and no higher than 90 degrees. And this is the key of this exercise to help you to establish the position for a la seconde turns and for your muscles to remember where they are going to be. So now let's get to the exercise. 5th position, facing the bar, right leg on the back, and we are going to do bas tendu. 4th position, plie, and your leg is going to do immediately a la seconde, relevé. 5th position, demi-plie. We are going to repeat again. Tendu, demi-plie, a la seconde, up. 5th position, demi-plie. Beginners are going to do 8 repetitions. Intermediate dancers are going to do 12 repetitions, but you're going to count 3 seconds before lowering down to 5th position. And advanced dancers are going to do a sideways to the bar, 1 hand on the bar and the other hand on 2nd position. Going to do tendu to the back, everything the same, demi-plie, and now we're going to do a la seconde, and you're going to free the bar before lowering down to 5th position. Free, 1, 2, 3, 5th position, and repeat again, a la seconde, square, balance, control, 1, 2, 3, 5th position. And remember the advance, you're going to do these 12 repetitions. Our next exercise is going to help you to develop a strength so you can do your continuous a la seconde turns without much effort. Again, 5th position, tendu to the back. 4th position, we're going to do a la seconde, plie a la seconde, plie a la seconde. 5th position, demi-plie, and we are going to repeat again. Demi-plie, and we are going to do a la seconde, plie a la seconde, 2nd plie, a la seconde, 5th position, and lower down. Now remember, your hips are going to stay square, level, and facing forward. Beginners are going to do 5 repetitions of these ones. Remember, we are going to have 2 plie before lowering down and repeating the next sequence. Intermediate are going to do 8 repetitions and advanced. Once again, you're going to do it sideways to the bar, 1 hand on the bar, and you're going to hop, and before lowering down, take your time, control, and do it again. Now that you know 3 exercises that are going to help you to improve your control and balance, to develop a strength of your ankle and calf of the supporting leg, but also you had an exercise to establish the correct position and help your muscles to memorize the movements, then now we're going to start adding some turns. And our last exercise is for you to get all of the tips that I gave you already from number 1, 2, and 3 exercise and put them together in the center, adding turns to your exercises. So what you're going to do, 5th position, right leg in front, arms on 1st position, tendu to the side, leg go to 4th position on the back, arms go bras, 1st plie, and you're going to do half of a turn, plie 4th position, détourné, and repeat, tendu, plie, half of a turn, plie, and repeat 1 more time. Beginners are going to do 8 repetitions of this exercise. Intermediate are going to do 12, and advanced are going to do 15, 20, as many as you want, but I really want you to control on that balance up before going to the 5th position and détourné. And that's it. Once you can master half of a turn, you will be able without any trouble to do one full a la second turn and then do continuous. So if you want me to give you some feedbacks on your progress, please tag me on my Instagram and I will be able to give you feedback as soon as possible. So say that. See you next time.